Right to equality is contained from Article 14 to 18 of the Constitution, and Article 14 is very important and crucial. Article 14 says, state shall not deny to any person equality before law, equal protection of law. Here the words used are any person, which means this article is applicable both to citizens and non-citizens. Therefore, this article is applicable both to citizens, non-citizen, and even juristic person. It says, state shall not deny to any person equality before law or equal protection of law. Equality before law is borrowed from English Constitution, which is a negative concept, which means that state shall treat everyone equally. The laws from Prime Minister to the last man, to the peon also, shall be applied equally. No special privilege shall be granted by law. Equal protection of law is borrowed from American Constitution, which is more a positive concept, which means under similar circumstances, every person shall be treated equally, both in terms of privileges granted and liabilities imposed. Human beings by birth are born unequally. To treat people who are born unequally equally is perpetuating inequality. To apply the same law to people who are born unequally is perpetuating inequality. Therefore, what Article 14 permits is classification, legislative classification or grouping of people basis some intelligible differentia, meaning thereby it has to be some classification, has to be not the basis, the color of the hair or something else. It has to be some intelligible classification. Age could be one, gender could be, or any other thing which is intelligible basis. And that intelligible classification must have rational nexus to the object sought to be achieved. If the classification or grouping for the purpose of making a law is arbitrary, then it strikes at Article 14 and it is void. So if you ask me in one word what Article 14 means, it means non-arbitrariness. It means reasonableness. Anything which is arbitrary, non-reasonable is negation of right to equality.